everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this week's video, I want to talk about all of the different ways to integrate Zoho Apps with third-party developer apps. Before I begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here every single week. So if you're a business nowadays, you have a lot of different apps that you're using. For example, if you're an e-commerce business, you're using an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, you usually use a CRM system that can be a Zoho CRM or another CRM system. Also, usually businesses use different softwares for finance management, for marketing, for email campaigns, and usually you have so many different apps that are disconnected from each other. And I want to talk about how can you integrate your Zoho app, whatever app you're using. You can use Zoho CRM, Zoho Marketing Automation, Zoho Books, or any other of the apps that Zoho offers, and how to integrate them within each other or with third-party developer apps. Because even if you're using Zoho One, a suite of business that includes 40 plus apps for managing different departments of your business, you're usually still using a third-party developer app for specific needs of your business. And it's very important to integrate your Zoho apps with your third-party developer apps that you're using, especially if you are using Zoho CRM, a core of every business. You need to gather data from different apps to get clear analytics and to make data-driven decisions. So obviously, if you're using different Zoho apps, there's usually ready-made integrations of Zoho apps within each other. So I want to focus on how you can integrate Zoho with third-party developer apps. And first option is going to Zoho Marketplace. So Zoho Marketplace is a place where you can get ready-made integrations. Some of them are free, for some of them you have to pay monthly or yearly, but that's the place where you can get different integrations. For example, we at CRMOS gathered our developers and developed different extensions for Zoho CRM that includes the integration of Zoho CRM with Shopify, for example, that you can just pay for, download and use, and it's very easy to use because it's a ready-made integration. So in my opinion, the first place to go to get the integration of Zoho apps with third-party developer apps would be Zoho Marketplace, because it's the easiest way to get the integration. Those integrations are usually very easy to set up and they will do the basic syncing. And that also includes if you have specific needs, because there's different providers of different types of integrations that integrate different types of data within Zoho and third-party developer apps, so you have a variety of choice. Also, there's a way to develop your own integration, and for that you can use Zoho APIs. So Zoho APIs allow you to exchange the data between Zoho and third-party developer apps by integrating the APIs. And if you have an in-house developer team, or you can hire developers, like again at CRMOS, we have a lot of requests of developing custom integrations for our clients. A developer team can develop a custom integration. So Zoho APIs are very important for the clients that have specific needs for the integrations that usually the ready-made integrations don't cover. With them, you have a bit more customability, and also you can customize the functionality and the look of the integration and what it integrates within the apps however you like and according to your specific business needs. That's the second best option. If you have specific needs, you can use Zoho APIs. You can have developers or hire developers, and they will develop any integrations specifically according to the needs of your business. But not every company has a developer team or wants to hire one to create a complex integration, or sometimes you don't really need a complex integration. And to create a basic and very simple integration, you can use Zoho Flow. So Zoho Flow is an app that anyone can use. It's a no-code app, so you don't have to do any coding, and you can just build flows of how you want your data to be integrated within any Zoho app. You can still hire consultants like us to help you with building the flows and logic of the flows. It will definitely be more cost effective if you have basic needs to hire a consultant that will build a logic for you and build a flow within Zoho Flow than developing a custom integration within APIs. And if you don't have specific needs and you want just a basic integration, you can build it with Zoho Flow. And I want to show you how that looks like. So Zoho Flow allows you to link over 800 apps, including Zoho's own tools and third-party platforms, without needing to write a single line of code. So now let's take a quick look at how to actually set up one of those integrations using Zoho Flow. First, log in into Zoho Flow and click on Create Flow. Second, choose your trigger app. This is where the workflow starts. For example, a new lead in Zoho CRM. Next, you have to select the action app, like creating a new contact in MailChimp or sending a Slack message. And the last step is to map the data fields, review your flow, and hit turn on. So Zoho Flow is not only easy to use, but it also brings great results. For example, for a financial consulting firm, we linked Zoho CRM with Xero using Zoho Flow, allowing to sync customer billing data in real time. So the company didn't have any more delays in invoices and reporting. Our team at CRM was also connected Zendesk with Zoho projects for a tech startup using Zoho Flow, so that support tickets could now be converted into internal tasks, ensuring no customer issues fell through the cracks. So you can see these integrations didn't just save time, they helped these businesses deliver better experiences for their customers and make smarter decisions based on the connected data. So as you can see, Zoho offers different ways to integrate Zoho apps with third-party developer apps that are very effective and suit different needs of different companies. We have clients that are using our extensions and are absolutely loving it because it's the easiest solution. You just go to Zoho Marketplace, install the extension, and you're ready to use it in like 10 minutes. It's already set up and the data is being synchronized. We had clients with specific needs that needed an API integration that we developed for them, considering their specific business needs. And that is also a valid request, because if you have specific data that needs to be synchronized and you can't find an extension that can do that, or you can't do that with Zoho Flow because the functionality of Zoho Flow is still limited, that's the way to go. The API integration will suit your business needs. And we had clients that also had simple business needs and that just needed to make a logical flow of how data enters the system with different types of apps. And we developed them integration within Zoho Flow that was easy to use, cost effective, and also still catered to their needs. So as you can see, Zoho offers great solutions for integrating Zoho with third-party developer apps. Not all of the CRM offer these options. Most of the CRM systems have the marketplace and also have the integration with APIs or custom integrations, but Zoho is unique in the sense of offering Zoho Flow, which is a very, very useful app to use. So if you're interested in Zoho integration, whether it's Zoho extensions, an API custom integration, or integration with Zoho Flow, and you want to develop integration for you, you can book a free consultation with one of our experts by the link down below. We will answer all of your questions about Zoho integration, how to build it, and we can help you and consult you. And also, if you're interested in any of our extensions, we have a lot of different extensions for different third-party developer apps. I will leave the link to our Zoho Marketplace in the description also down below. You can check it out and buy a ready-made solution that will work after like 15 minutes of easy setup process. If you have any questions about Zoho integration, implementation, or custom solutions, you can again book a free consultation. The link will be in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can also leave them in the comments down below. We'll answer to all of them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was helpful for you and will help you to understand the integration process of Zoho much better. If you want a separate video on how to use Zoho Flow, we can also make a tutorial about that. You can also leave the request for future videos in the comments down below and we'll make the videos for you. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was helpful for you and I will see you in the next week's one.